Hey, welcome, guys. So, I get a lot of messages asking me, or I got a lot of messages asking me, which is the best IDE or text editor to play around with Node.js and similar code. Well, the best editor, or the best IDE, actually, integrated development environment, it's the Visual Studio Code for the free version. And now, Visual Studio Code is completely free, as I'm recording this video. They might change it in the future, I don't know. But it's a pretty cool IDE. I love all the features, all the plugins that you can use. I love that it has a built-in terminal right here. I love the way it looks. I love the how easy it is to create files, create directories, expand, refresh or expand. Okay, and there's a lot of the debugging tools as well. Now this terminal here, if you don't, when you download Visual Studio, you can click or type Control tilde and then you can open it up. Okay, I'm not 100% sure if that's the same command in the Windows. You can of course Google that real quick. But Control tilde, I'm opening this and closing in my Mac operating system. You can open a Nets terminal here like this. As you can see, you keep all the bash or the windows in this little window here. It's pretty cool stuff. Okay, you can delete it, you can put it up or put it down, or you can change the way this is, in the left, or you can put it in the right. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Pretty cool. But anyway, so you can also split it in more windows. Pretty awesome, right? So this is a really cool IDE to use, and I recommend it for the free version. Now, in this course, I'm going to be using WebStorm. I love WebStorm. It also has a built-in terminal here. And when I say built-in, it means that this terminal wraps around your bash shell from your computer, your command prompt shell or your terminal. It wraps around that and it goes and shows you the same thing here. So I can still go to my desktop here, okay, and you can see my items in my desktop. Okay, so just because the terminal is here, it doesn't mean that it's only available for this specific project. It's available for everything in my computer. Okay, so I just wanted to make that clear for you guys. What I love about WebStorm, of course, the GUI here looks really awesome. It's very easy to see the structure of your files, very easy to create new files, and it has a bunch of features, okay, and a bunch of plugins. And the company behind it is JetBrains. All they do is IDE, okay? Oh, that's all they do. They do a whole bunch of really cool tools that we can use. This is their website. It's code.visualstudio.com. I mean the website for Visual Studio. And JetBrains is, let me show you their website. Okay, for WebStorm, jetbrains.com, and you can visit all their IDEs right here on the tools. Okay, they have one called IntelliJ IDEA, and that one you can plug in a lot of plugins. Like use it mostly it's for Java, but you can plug in a lot of other packages in here to use. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, so there you have it. What I recommend: Visual Studio Code for free version for JavaScript, Angular, TypeScript, you name it. It's really cool. And WebStorm if you want to go to a paid version. Now, a paid version here means that with JetBrains you can actually get a free license, a community license for a year, I believe, if you are a student. So if you are a student from the university and you have a university email for your school, you're gonna get a free license. If you are an instructor in some type of university or maybe a platform, and some platforms they will also give you a license. In some cases I've seen that if you mention my name, Edwin Diaz, and you tell him, listen, Edwin Diaz has over 200,000 students. He recommends you guys a lot in his courses. I'm one of his students. Can you guys give me a free license? It has happened before where I see students getting free license. I'm not sure if it was because they mentioned my name, but you can try that too. Who knows, right? Maybe they'll do it. But there you have it, guys. Visual Studio Code, okay? And pretty awesome. It's free. You can download it at code.visualstudio.com. You can download it for Mac, Windows, and Linux, and you can also download JetBrains. Okay, you can try a free, well, not JetBrains, WebStorm. You can try this for 30 days and see how you like it if you want, but you have to pay for it after. Okay, you can buy it. And I hope that this was very informative. As you can see here, you can pay yearly, or you can, let's say, go for individual users, and you can pay monthly for $5 a month or something like that. Maybe later on they'll put it down or they'll put it up. I don't know. And you can get other products for $24.90. Okay, you can see that here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture. Hopefully that helps you out. Remember that the control tilde here opens your terminal. Okay, and you can play around with the position over here in Visual Studio. See you and take care, guys.